Welcome back everybody to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you one of the best HWID spoofers on the market that will remove your ban entirely and get you back on the game on a brand new account. So if you guys are getting HWID ban in any of these games right here, I can show you how to easily fix it in a few simple steps. So let's get started. So the HWID spoofer that we're going to be using to get unbanned is Divine Permanent Spoofer. This is the best spoof on the market. Everybody knows this, and you guys will be seeing why in this video. But here are all the different games that the spoofer works for and all of the error codes that it fixes for all of these games as well. So if we scroll down, we're also going to see the services that Divine provides. They have instant delivery on their website, 24/7 customer support on their Discord server, HWID unbanned guidance for all games, one-click unbans automated IP ban fix, customer chat, and a customer HWID reset tool. If we scroll down to the prices of the permanent spoofer, you guys can see that they have two different variants. The variant that you choose is very important, and I would recommend getting the lifetime if you are a cheater. Cheaters should always get the lifetime because they could save a lot of money in the long term instead of rebuying the one-time spoof every time they do get banned. So if you are a cheater, get the lifetime and you'll save a lot of money. And if you are a legit player or you got banned on accident, just get the one time. This one is best for you. It's $25 and the lifetime is $70. So keep that in mind when you are purchasing the HWID spoofer. So now let me show you how to buy it. You can either buy it through the ticket option in the Discord server by making the purchase selection, or you could go straight to the website divinecheats.net for instant delivery and card payments. So if you guys are looking to pay with card or even crypto, they accept that there. So let's go to the permanent spoofer right here. This is the one that I'm showcasing. So you just choose whichever variant that you want and just press checkout. Once you do press checkout, you're going to choose your payment method. They have debit card and cryptocurrency on the website. If you guys do not see your preferred payment method, go back to the Discord where you can make a purchase ticket and the staff members will assist you with your purchase with an alternative payment method such as PayPal or Cash App. So once I already showed you guys how to buy it, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the spoofer now. Alright guys, so you will be receiving your loader and your license key and your serial checker when you buy the permanent spoofer. So what you want to do first is open up the serial checker. This is where your serial numbers are displayed. And the first thing you want to do is open up the snipping tool to save these serials. So you're just going to take a quick screenshot, save as, and write old serials. So now that you have it saved, you can close this out. And next, you're just going to open up the Divine key, copy that and highlight it. And boom, once you have it copied, open up the Divine perm folder, right click Divine spoofer and run it as an administrator. Once you guys run it as administrator, it's going to take a few seconds to open up and it's going to auto log me in because I have the auto login option enabled. So the permanent spoof, this is all you need to click. Once you click this, the spoof will begin. But you guys have to be patient because this process may take up to a few minutes depending on how fast or slow your PC is. I would recommend not touch anything because it may interrupt the spoof. So just be patient and wait. I'm going to speed this part up just a little bit so you guys do not have to wait that long. Alright guys, so the permanent spoof has completed. When you see this message at the bottom, this means that the spoof has completed. And what you want to do now is close out the spoofer. And now you will have to restart your computer to successfully apply the changes. So I'm going to be doing that right now. And I'm back. I'm going to be showing that all of my serial numbers have changed. Alright guys, so I just restarted my computer. So now what you want to do is open up the serial checker. And then you're going to open up the screenshot that you saved earlier before you spoofed. So now just put it side by side. Let me just put it like that. And boom, once you have it side by side, you're going to have the motherboard serial number up front. This one has changed. As you guys can see, these numbers are all different. The volume serial number has also changed. The UID has also changed. And all of the MAC addresses have also changed. Once you confirm that the spoof has successfully applied on your computer, what you want to do next is close all of these screenshots out and go back to the Discord server where you can make a ticket, select the support option, and you're going to write VPN bypass. Once you do this, the staff members will assist you with the VPN bypass and help you bypass any IP restriction that you may have in your favorite game that are getting you delay banned. So once you fix this issue, that is the last and final step. You're good to go. And yeah, you could go back to playing your favorite game without having any of those annoying HWID bans or annoying delay bans. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. So peace out and goodbye.